Downtown Express 2, train 4 minutes away.
Because those along the line and the series of moves. Right side, stay alive.
This is a Manhattan-bound 2 train. The next and last stop is Rector Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This is Rector Street.
Transfer is available to the 1 and 3 trains.
This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the rear of the platform.
Uptown Express 2, train.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the last stop on this train. Everyone, please leave the train.